What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, the stock market is bearish today, and we're having quite the sell-off. This is because the stock market has flipped into a downtrend, or the market is now currently going through a sell program. Really, all that means is that this market is below its 50 SMA. So essentially, whenever the market is below the 50 SMA, we assume that the stock market is entering a neutral to bearish state. So this morning, during the pre-market hours, we saw that the market and into the regular trading hours was breaking down. So obviously the market is bearish. If you guys are new watching this video, let me show you what I mean. We're going to take this time frame, we're going to move it to 90 days. So, as we said before, if the market's below the SMA, it is essentially neutral to bearish. If above, bullish. If below, neutral, bearish. If below, neutral, 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 bearish. Okay? Continue on. If the price of the market is above SMA, bullish. If below, neutral, bearish, bearish, bearish. Okay? Continue on. If the market is above, then we're bullish. If below, bearish. If above, bullish, etc. Continue on. If below, we go bearish. If above, bullish, etc. So where are we at now? We are this morning and into today below. So market is bearish. That is what we call a sell program or a bearish market. So it's pretty straightforward here. If you are watching this video, watching this channel, you right now are neutral or bearish the market. You're not bullish. We will put out a new video when it's time to go back bullish the market. That will be when the market recovers its 50 SMA, and then we'll be on the positive side of trend. So for the moment, you can expect the market is neutral and bearish, and things can continue to trade bearish. And arguably, the news later today is going to be bearish, and the news tomorrow will be bearish, and it's going to say, oh, the market's down big. So we do this every single day live. We live stream, as you see in the scrolling ticker there. And in today's live stream, we had mentioned to everyone watching that today would be bearish. We were going to look to pull the market back, and then when we broke down, that you would stay bearish. So all of today's analysis pointed to being bearish and identifying the exact levels at which the market would break down, which again is this yellow line. We essentially said market will pull back to here, and if it cannot support, that's your breakdown. And from this point forward, the entire market is bearish. So we are currently going through a selling program, a selling operation. The markets are in negative territory, so we are neutral to swing short. The only long plays that we can look for right now are short-term counter longs in a bearish environment because we're not swing long. If we were swing long, then we would just be bullish. But right now we are neutral to bearish, and any longs are counter long trades. Just wanted to give an update to let everyone know that markets are more neutral and bearish, and if you're looking at swing longs, this is not the right time, and I will essentially post a video when it is the right time. And if you guys would like to see this happen in real time and not a hindsight 2020 video, and you'd like to have more foresight analysis, then just make sure to tune into the streams when we're live, and it happens every day at 9 a.m. Cheers, have a good one, see you on the stream.